hear the name Sola Sobowale, what comes to your mind? The seasoned Nigerian actress who often take up hyperactive roles, or the king of boys, Labro herself. Let's take you down the memory lane of how Sola Sobowale has graced our screen with amazing roles over the years. Sola Sobowale is a Nigerian-born film actress, screenwriter, director, and producer who hails from Ondo State, Nigeria, the Sunshine State. Born December 26, 1963, the seasoned Nigerian actress made her big break in the entertainment industry in 2001 during the premiere of Nigerian's popular television drama series Super Story, O Father, O Daughter, taking up the role of Toyin Tomato. Before shooting into stardom, Sola Sobowale has roles in other movies like The Village Headmaster, Mirror in the Sun, and the Yoruba movie Arewa Tore Mecca. Down the memory lane, Sola Sobowale joined acting through numerous roles in movies produced by Awada Keri Keri Group under the leadership of Adebayo Salami. Over the years, Sola Sobowale has scripted, co-scripted, directed, and produced several Nigerian films. Sola Sobowale scripted, produced, and directed Oko Samida, a 2010 Nigerian film that stars Adebayo Salami. She also featured in Dangerous Twin, a 2004 Nigerian drama film produced by Tade Ogidon, written and directed by Niji Akoni. Sola Sobowale also featured in Family on Fire, produced and directed by Tade Ogidon. Recently, Sola came back gracing our screen with The Wedding Party in 2016, King of Boys 2018, and King of Boys 2, which is currently one of the most talked about movies showing on Netflix. In 2019, Sola Sobowale received the African Movie Academy Award for Best Actress in a Leading Role for her role in 2018 Nigerian film King of Boys. Here are amazing 5 facts you should know about this pioneer in modern-day Nigerian film industry. Sola Sobowale was an athlete at a very young age. Sobowale says she used to be an athlete who represented her state in sporting events back in the days. She made this known during an interview in 2017. Do you know that Sola Sobowale still does market errands herself? According to an interview, Sola disclosed that she still goes to the market herself, unlike many celebrities who feel differently about this. She also mentioned that she's, however, always prepared to greet and chat with people. Why some actors believe in no boundary when it comes to picking roles, Sola Sobowale would describe herself as a typical African woman, says she has lined up roles she would decline as an actor. Listing the role, she explained that she won't go naked in a movie, neither will she allow anyone smooch her in movies. Sola Sobowale pursued acting, even though her parents wanted her to be a teacher or nurse. She attended the University of Ibadan, where she pursued music. Compelled by her love and passion for acting, she switched to study theatre arts and graduated with a Bachelor of Science in Theatre Arts. And lastly, as we all know that being in the limelight requires a high sense of fashion. In this area, Sola Sobowale is undoubtedly a pacesetter, as she has served nice look all year long. Her elegant look to the AMVCA 2020 was breathtaking, as the designer did absolute justice to her purple embellished flowing dress. Also, her hair beautifully styled, and it portrayed the unique African natural human hair. Certainly, Sola Sobowale is not just a veteran in the game, but a trailblazer for many generations to come.